Hey there friends, Norwex just launched a brand new catalog, brand new products, and I think you're gonna love them. Something for our dry skin, beautiful options for our kitchen, and real life cleaning tools sized for kids. And a few practical products that solve some of those annoying everyday little messes. And one of them might even make your kids want to help clean. Now, I did say might. I'm not promising miracles over here. So I'm going to give you a quick tour, explain what each product does, and help you understand the differences between a few products that may look similar at first. So let's get started with one I think a lot of us are going to want in our purse, beside our bed, and probably in 3 other places around the house. So let's go. This is the new Hydrating Body Balm in Vanilla Grove. Now, if you have certain spots on your body that always seem drier than the rest of our skin, this is where the Hydrating Body Balm will shine and fit directly into your existing routine. Think hands, cuticles, elbows, even our knees, heels, and other areas that might feel rough or more dry. Now, this isn't meant to replace our everyday body lotion. You can apply the lotion first for all over hydration, and then you want to glide this directly over the areas that might need a little bit more love. It is concentrated moisture in an easy, mess-free stick, and I love the size. It's convenient to keep in our purse, our gym bag, suitcase, or even just sit it right beside the bed. I love the formula. This formula contains shea butter, sunflower seed oil, castor oil, upcycled avocado oil, which helps replenish moisture, and it also supports the skin's natural moisture barrier. It also includes Nordic lingonberry, prebiotics that help nourish and support the skin barrier and our natural microbiome. Now, you don't have to remember all of those ingredients. What matters is that this was created for targeted moisture while also supporting the skin's microbiome. And I love that it's not greasy. I love the smell. This Vanilla Grove fragrance comes from vanilla and orange peel oils, so it has a warm vanilla and citrus scent. My husband loves this too. The formula is vegan. It's made from 100% naturally derived ingredients. It has been dermatologist tested for skin irritancy and allergies, and it's also EWG verified. EWG verified means that it meets the Environmental Working Group standards for ingredient health and transparency. It gives ingredient conscious customers just a lot more information about what we're putting on our skin. As a side note, this formula does contain some ingredients derived from palm nut and also shea nut. Now, if you used and loved the previous body balm, you're still going to get that easy glide on application and super concentrated moisture. This new version is vegan and adds ingredients such as upcycled avocado oil, lingonberry seed oil, and prebiotics, which is so good. So that gives us more emphasis on supporting the skin's barrier and our natural microbiome. It's also EWG verified, and the best part, it's refillable. So when you finish the body balm, you're going to keep the base and the cap, and you're just going to replace the inner cartridge. Using the refill reduces plastic waste by up to 50%. Okay, let's head into the kitchen because some longtime Norwex favorites, some of my favorite products in our catalog, have received a beautiful Norwegian-inspired refresh. We have new countercloths, diamond kitchen cloths, and beautiful striped kitchen towels. Let's take a look at all of these beautiful Norwegian-inspired colors. Now, first up, we have this beautiful yellow. This one is called Cloudberry. And we have bilberry in this beautiful blue, spruce, and probably my favorite green, lingonberry, and also bark. And yes, I'm already trying to decide which ones need to live in my kitchen. Now, the new colors are beautiful, but these products, they don't all do the same job. The counter cloth is the smallest. Think of this as your paper towel replacement. It's great for spill, quick messes, and all of those times where I would normally tear another sheet off the paper towel roll. I grab the counter cloth instead. These are super absorbent, they're very fast drying, and they're pretty enough to leave sitting out on the counter. I like them in the counter cloth box, and I leave this sitting where I would normally put my paper towels. Now, next up, we have the diamond kitchen cloth. This is the same size as our previous kitchen cloth. Now, I reach for this when I'm handling bigger messes, when I need to do an all-over kitchen clean on all of my hard kitchen surfaces. I even use this wet with water to clean cabinets, granite, in the stainless sometimes. It has a unique weave, which is this diamond texture that picks up and holds on to dirt, crumbs, and grease. Instead of simply pushing it around, it picks it up. Now the kitchen towels, they are designed for drying dishes, wiping sinks, and handling those larger everyday kitchen messes. I love these. I think these are beautiful. The color, the weave, look at that closely. So here's the easiest way to remember the difference in these three cloths. The counter cloth, that's for our spills, quick messes, things we need to tidy up on the go. The diamond kitchen cloth, I use this for washing and cleaning all of my kitchen surfaces. I prefer this over an Enviro cloth in my kitchen because it's dedicated to the kitchen. And then the kitchen towels, these are for drying all the things, whether it's our hands, dishes, or even our counters. Now they each have a different primary job, but I love that they coordinate beautifully. And bonus, all three of these cloths physically remove up to 99% of bacteria from our surfaces using just water alone. These products also contain Backlock, which is Norwex's silver. It's an antimicrobial agent intended to protect and self-clean the product by inhibiting the growth of odor-causing bacteria, mold, mildew within the cloth, so we're never going to have a stinky cloth, and I can actually go a lot longer between washes. Now we're going to talk about the next collection, which may completely steal this entire launch. These are not pretend cleaning tools. They're functional Norwex tools designed in smaller sizes for those little hands. The kids' Enviro cloth, just like its big brother, full-size Enviro cloth, can be used damp with water alone on all over the washable surfaces, and it physically removes up to 99% of bacteria. It also contains Backlock, which is Norwex's microsilver, preventing the growth of mold, mildew, bacteria within the cloth. And then we also have this adorable kid-size window cloth. Just check out that print. It is so pretty. And again, like the full-size window cloth, this is used dry on all of our surfaces that are shiny for a streak-free shine. And how cute is this little hedgehog? This is the adorable dusting mitt for the little ones. They simply slide their hand into the mitt and dust all of the surfaces, and they actually work. Now, will it make every child beg to dust the entire house? Again, I'm not making any promises here, but it definitely makes it a lot of fun. I just love that these tools are perfect for the little ones so they can do real household jobs and enjoy having fun helping mom or grandma. And now we have this adorable kids mop. Look at this dry mop pad, this little bear. It is my favorite. Now the kids mop isn't just a mop that looks like mom's or grandma's mop. It actually works. This little bear dry mop pad works just like the full-size dry mop pad on the traditional Norwex mop system. It goes on and off with Velcro, fits right over the mop base, and to clean it off, I do recommend using the Norwex rubber brush. This is also the same mop base that comes with our mini mop system. So you can get additional mop pads if they want to help wet mop, or even the duster mop pad. All of the mini mop pads fit this mop. You can also attach other Norwex accessories like this mini Enviro wand. Even the rubber brush snaps right to the handle. These are real tools and manageable jobs that give children a way to participate and feel really proud that they're contributing, and no harmful chemicals required. There's also a coordinating tote which matches the cleaning collection perfectly. It gives them a place to carry and keep all their supplies. I can see this kids collection being a fun birthday or even holiday gift, especially for a child who already follows mom, dad, or grandma around while they're trying to clean. We have some new items for bath time I think your littles are gonna love. Okay, first up, we have this new colorway in our kids body and face pack. I personally love these for myself for travel as well, but they are perfect for kid-sized hands. First up, we have the yellow with the gray trim. Then we have gray with the sage trim, which I think is adorable. and a really fun green with a yellow trim. You can use these with water alone to cleanse the child's skin. I also think these are amazing for babies, especially anyone with really sensitive skin. And I also like keeping one damp in the diaper bag for little messes on the go. We also have this beautiful hooded towel in the yellow with the matching print on, you see the hedgehogs. It's just so adorable. It's good for boys and girls, great for travel. You can use it for bath time at home, beach days. It's just a really great all-around towel that dries very quickly. And I love that I can hang this up on the back of the bathroom door with a little hook so it dries even quicker. This color is called Sunny Meadow, and it's very plushy on one side. And just like the full-size bath towels and body and face cloths, they do remove bacteria with water alone and also contain microsilver, which is our antimicrobial agent that prevents mold, mildew, and bacterial growth in the cloths. This may be one of the most practical products in this launch. This is our Optic Scarf in the new colorway, which I think is adorable. Now, if you're not familiar with the Optic Scarf, you use this completely dry. It removes fingerprints, smudges, bacteria from our eyeglasses, phones, and our tablets. And you can use this on anti-glare surfaces. Now, it's super soft. And what I love is I don't need a spray or a disposable wipe when I'm cleaning my glasses or reading glasses, even sunglasses. You can also use this on jewelry and other smooth surfaces. The silver tone clip lets us attach it to our purse or our backpack, even our belt loop. I use one of these for my luggage as well, which helps your luggage stand out a bit when you're trying to figure out which one's yours. I love that I can keep this with me instead of sitting in a drawer at home when I probably need it the most. Now, the Optic Scarf handles our delicate surfaces and smudges. The next cloth I'm gonna show you is made for the big messes, which need a little bit more scrubbing power. This is the new Ultra Scrub Cloth in yellow. Now, I already use the black one in my kitchen, especially on my granite. It is my favorite way to clean granite, and I prefer using it with a multi-purpose everyday cleaner. Now, I like having a yellow option dedicated for bathroom scrubbing, including those messier jobs around the toilet. Norwex actually calls this the toughest Enviro cloth yet because it gives us 2 cleaning surfaces in one. It has this rougher side which helps loosen dried on goo or mystery things, soap scum, lime scale, and even stubborn grime. And when you flip it over, you use the soft Enviro cloth side to swipe everything away. Now, you can use this with water alone, and it does remove 99% of bacteria with this Enviro cloth side. But for the yellow one dedicated to my bathroom, I prefer using it with the all-in-one bathroom cleaner. And a great way to remember is the yellow matches the yellow icons on the all-in-one bathroom cleaner. Now, the design of these Ultra Scrub cloths is really nice because they have these pre-sewn perforated lines, which actually allows us to fold the cloth to give us 6 cleaning sides. So I've got 3 cleaning sides with the Enviro cloth side, and then 3 cleaning sides with that scrubbier side. And our last cleaning tool in this refresh lineup is a customer favorite. It's the rubber brush with the squeegee. It's now available to be purchased by itself without the dustpan. You have this amazing rubber brush on one side, perfect for cleaning off your dry mop pads, your dusting mitts, small little messes around the house. And then you have this squeegee on the other side, giving us 2 useful tools in one. You can use it by hand when you're working on something close to you. But I actually love that it attaches directly to the Norwex mop handle, so it's always with me when it's time to clean off those mop pads. I'll appreciate any tool that can be taken with me when I'm on the go as one less thing I have to carry. This launch really does have a little bit of everything. The Hydrating Body Balm is probably going to be the product that I personally use the most. I also love that it fits better in my purse and I can get refills, reducing waste. The kids collection is definitely the most fun, and my granddaughters are going to be obsessed with this. And the Norwegian-inspired kitchen colors, they're going to be hard to resist if you love something that's useful and very pretty too. And we have some practical problem solvers like the Optic Scarf and the Ultra Scrub Cloth, which we can dedicate to the bathrooms. And being able to get that rubber brush now with the squeegee attachment, put it right on our mop system without the dustpan is a great option, especially if you're just getting started with the Norwex mop. So tell me in the comments which new product belongs at the top of your list. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll see you soon.